Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again with another raw video here. This time I was out with the Anamorphic lens 1.3. I shot this at night. This was actually, I shot this about a week ago. I was using the, I think 6.9 or 7.0 version of this. At the moment as I speak, they have 7.3. And 7.3 has, I was reading in the comments something about combining some frames to reduce noise. So this is before the 7.3, and again, I shot it all at night, and I got, some pretty decent results out of it. Again, my highest ISO was 800. I tried to keep everything around 200 to 800. Again, just trying to find areas with a lot of light, enough of light where I didn't have to crank up the ISO super high. And what I'm going to do to show you also, there was another video I shot a whole week prior to this, before the app was even, I realized the app about, before I even knew about the app. And I shot everything in Rec 709, Log 709 profile. Everything was basically straight up raw, normal cell phone video with the anamorphic lens, right? And I want you to watch that video and just pay attention to how black and how dark the dark areas are versus this, because some people might not really see the difference. When you go from Rec 709 and then you go to the DNGs, you really can see the difference on how much of the black levels and the shadows I was able to just expand the shadows and get a lot more detail versus the just Rec 709 standard video. You can see that the blacks are just super black and you don't really see a lot of detail. So I'll show you the first one. I'll show you the first one with Rec 709, and then after that I'll show you the raw DNG stuff. So again, just experimenting with this app, and honestly, there's been new updates like every other day, so I'm constantly trying to stay up and see what what he's releasing. I know also in the 7.0, which I downloaded a couple of days ago, now I can have exposure. not exposure. Now I can control my focus, which is great, because in the other versions, every time I switched to manual focus, it would switch out. The focus would just readjust. So now I have complete control of the focus, which is also great. So enough of the jibber jabber. Take a look at these two videos. One's Rec 709 and then one's with the DNGs. Yo guys, what up? So I'm here using the Cineon Gamut with the Rec 709 sRGB LUT, and right now currently at 1200 ISO with a shutter speed of 38. I knocked it down to get me a little bit brighter. Just out doing some tests, and not really liking the results I'm getting tonight. That's why whenever I shoot at night, I always tend to shoot in a log profile, like a super log profile, to get more dynamic range, because using the sRGB Rec 709 LUT is just not yielding the details of the shadows. Like the darks are just so black and crushed that I can't get any data out of them. Plus I'm not editing this. I'm just basically gonna, and I'm not gonna grade this in DaVinci Resolve. It's all gonna be graded on the cell phone. So just doing some testing. Again, most of the time I don't share all this stuff, but I guess right now, since I'm gonna have no laptop, I'm gonna show you guys my daily process. This is something I do all the time, just test stuff out. So yeah, some of the results, they're not the greatest. Oh, and I'm also using the UskeyVision 1.55 anamorphic lens. It's a lot stronger than the Moment 1.33. 1.55 is stronger, because 2 will be the ultimate, but we don't have a 2 so far yet on mobile devices. But yeah, so peace. hope you guys enjoyed that really quick. Again, I'm just learning this app. It's brand new, and just the whole process of working with DNGs from a cell phone, which I'm familiar with DNGs, but coming from a cell phone, this is totally awesome. So down in the comments, let me know if there's anything you guys want to see me try to do or achieve while I'm using this app and stuff like that. Other than that, don't forget, we got the merch, mobile filmmaking, stuff like that down there at Patrick Levar. I got the Discord server. I made a new group in the Discord server, MC Pro, and basically if we want to talk about MC Pro and now the Motion app, and the Motion app. So if you guys want to share some videos or share some stuff and just, you know, get a little communication going here about the app, link will be down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Patrick Levar, see you soon.